Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is UpLead and ManyReach. So to get started with a quick overview, UpLead is a B2B lead generation platform that personalizes in improving verified real-time business contact data. It ideal for sales and marketing teams that need a high-quality lead for outbound campaign. Then on the other side, ManyReach is a cold email outreach platform focused on automating personalized email campaign and boosting deliverability. While it includes basic lead management, its strength lies in scaling cold outreach with AI-powered personalization. Now, revealing what these two platforms are best at. So starting with the UpLead. UpLead is best for business needing an accurate B2B lead and content data. Then on the other side, talking about the ManyReach is best for startup and SMBs looking for scalable cold email campaign with a personalization. And talking about the downside about these two platforms, so starting with the UpLead has no built-in email outreach or campaign tools, and also outreach can be pricey for smaller business. And talking about the downside of ManyReach lead data quality depends on users' simplified list, and also ManyReach limited leads outsourcing a capabilities compared to UpLead. So here's a viral conclusion. You can simply go for UpLead if you need a high quality verified B2B lead to power your sales pipeline. On the other side, you can simply go for ManyReach if you already have a lead and want to automate and also want to personalize your cold email outreach at scale. So that's it. Let me know what you think on any of these two platforms. Thanks.